back again, and today we're going to be making Color Me backpacks.
Yes, and we're going to use our Wednesday bag with the Color Me backpack and all the materials that you can use for all the activities, but today you can use anything you want. I'm gonna use the markers.
I'm going to use markers and colored pencils as well.
Okay, let's begin. We are going to use our backpack, plain backpack. My advice is put a paper inside, so if you are using markers, it's not going through and mess it up. You're gonna use your imagination. You can design anything you want. You can have a lot of fun.
And be creative.
I'm going to do a sunflower. What about you?
Wow, that sounds pretty. I think I'm going to do a cat.
Okay, let's begin. I'm going to design my first using a pencil. Okay, I almost done. Just put in my green lips.
Let's not forget this tail. Wow.
You did great, Miss Free.
You did
Let's see.
awesome.
This is what we're designing. Great. Now, what would you like to put inside your backpack, Miss Free?
Oh, apples, water.
Oh, healthy snack, right?
Yes.
I would like to put some sunscreen, sunglasses, small towel, and get ready to go at the pool or the beach.
Oh, that sounds fun. Well, put what you would like inside your bag.
Don't forget, take some pictures of your bag and send it to us so we can share with everybody.
Enjoy.
Bye.
Bye.